Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share an issue with you while I was working on a website. So I had the Envato template that I wanted to import into a WordPress. Normally we use the Envato Element plugin for this, but when I searched for it inside the WordPress, the plugin was not showing up. As you can see here, I typed Envato Element in the search bar, but the plugin is nowhere to be found. So for those who don't know the Envato Element plugin, Envato Element plugin was just used to directly import templates, stock photos and other design resources from Envato Element right inside WordPress. It made the process very easy, which is why many people, including me, use it. So I thought maybe it's just a small issue. I went to Google and searched for the Envato Element plugin. I opened the official Envato website and there I noticed something very important. It says sunsetting extension and it clearly mentions as of August 21, 2025, all Envato extensions for Adobe, Canva, Figma, Mobile and WordPress have been discontinued and no longer available. That means this is not a glitch or a temporary bug. The plugin has been permanently removed. But don't worry, even though the Envato Element plugin is discontinued, you can still use your Envato template. So in the end you can see there are 3 links showing. So these are the extensions which is available still. One of the extension is the template import kit, which I will use in this video to show you how to import Envato template kits without using Envato Element plugin. So first go back to your WordPress dashboard and add a new plugin. In the search bar you can write template kit import. Install and activate that plugin. Once it's activated, now under the tool menu, you will see a new option called template kit. Click on it and from here you can upload the Envato template kit you have already downloaded. Just wait a few minutes while it installs. And here your template is ready inside the WordPress. Make sure to install all the required plugins it asks for. This way you can still import your Envato template even without the old Envato Element plugin. Now if you are wondering how to download the free template, it's very simple. Just go to the official Envato Element website and from there you can download free templates. Then import them into your site using the same method I just showed you. So that's the update about the Envato Element plugin being discontinued and the new way to import templates in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends who use WordPress. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.